With the new truck, we have made it even easier for you to get started. You will have the most fuel-efficient drive mode already at the start. By just pushing the mode button, you can switch to other drive modes. In standard and economy drive mode, I-See is automatically activated. Let's have a look at how I-See works. When driving long haul, even the smallest hill or gradient can affect a truck's fuel consumption. Volvo Trucks' improved I-See software uses cloud-based map data to analyze the upcoming topography and then adapts the gears, speed, and engine brake in order to use the truck's moving energy more efficiently. I-See saves fuel by dividing a hill climb and descent into 6 distinct stages. When approaching a hill, I-See prepares for the climb and adjusts the truck's speed accordingly. By climbing the hill at the right speed, I-See avoids unnecessary downshifting. As the truck approaches the hill's peak, I-See curbs the truck's speed to prepare for descent. I-See temporarily disengages the driveline, allowing the truck to coast downhill and save energy. As the truck coasts downhill, I-See applies the auxiliary brakes if needed and according to where the slope ends. If there is another hill ahead, I-See will let the truck continue to coast, so that it builds up enough speed and momentum for the next hill climb. I-See continuously reads the upcoming topography for several kilometers ahead, so it can anticipate any upcoming hills or gradients. Through this process, I-See supports drivers with better precision and planning for a smoother and more fuel-efficient ride.